Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. I'm going to show you how to use this auto needle threader. These auto needle threaders are a real boon if you have problems threading needles, and they work with big-eyed needles and small-eyed needles. The instructions are all on the back of the pack, but let me show you. So you have two ports, one for the big-eyed needle, and it does say that there, and one for the small-eyed needles, with a lever for each. So I've placed my first needle in, eye down, lay the thread across the groove here, and then just push the lever and it pokes the thread through the little port on the side. So I'm now going to pull on that. So I just pull the thread end, make sure I'm pulling the end. That's it. And then I can pull my needle out and cut off the thread where I want. And I have now got a lovely threaded needle. One that would be really difficult to thread by hand. But let me show you the thicker one too. So again, I put the needle eye down, lay the thread across the groove, and then just pull the little lever across. It pokes the thread through the hole, pull on the thread tail, and there it is again, beautifully threaded needle. I can just cut off as much as I want, and I have my needle quickly and easily threaded. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.